News coming out of two new cases of the Omicron variant of coronavirus have been detected in the country. One is a man from Chandigarh who had arrived there from Italy. His COVID positive test has tested positive for the Omicron variant. The other is a man in Andhra Pradesh who had come from Ireland. He'd traveled from Mumbai to Visakhapatnam. Now, this takes the country's tally to 35 cases detected so far. Well, let's go across to Uma Sudhir for more on the first Andhra case that has been detected. And Uma, this man had arrived in Mumbai from Ireland, and then he traveled, he tested negative and then traveled to Visakhapatnam. If you could give us the details.
Yes, indeed. This is a 34-year-old man who has obviously not been identified, but he travelled from Ireland to Mumbai airport, where he in fact tested negative in the RT-PCR, and subsequently he was allowed to travel to Visakhapatnam, where another RT-PCR test was conducted in which he tested positive. Subsequently, the sample was sent to the Hyderabad-based Centre for Cellular and Molecular Biology, and the test results have shown that the genome sequence has shown that this was indeed the Omicron variant. What is interesting is, even in this particular case, this man did not have any symptoms at all, and yesterday we are told he was again tested for RT-PCR and he has tested negative in that particular case. As many as 15 foreign returnees to Andhra Pradesh, in fact, have tested positive in the RT-PCR test, out of which 10 of those sequencing results have come out, of which this one is the Omicron variant. The others were not Omicron. Of course, 5 more foreign returnees. The genome sequencing is still expected. As of now, this, of course, is the first Omicron variant that's being noted in Andhra Pradesh. Festival season, of course, coming up, Christmas coming up, and holidays coming up, and people tend to travel a lot during this season, and much more when Sankranti also comes up by mid-January. And in fact, already Telangana's health director had in fact said that we are expecting that the cases will start picking up by mid-January, and in February is when he expects it to peak in Telangana if the variant does pick up in these states as well. So while the health director of Andhra Pradesh, Haimawati, has put out saying that there is no reason for panic at all, she has said, however, that people must follow the COVID protocols, which of course means that you must be masked when you are in public spaces especially, and you must maintain social distancing, and you must wash your hands frequently so that you avoid the spread of this particular virus. Back to you.
All right, Uma, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. And let's tell you about the second case of Omicron that has been detected. That is from Chandigarh, a 20-year-old man, a resident of Italy. He landed in India on the 22nd of November, and he'd come to visit his relatives there. He was under home quarantine and was found COVID positive on retesting on the 1st of December. Now, according to the protocol, he was put in institutional quarantine. His sample was sent for genome sequencing, and his family members were also put under quarantine and were tested for COVID. All of them tested negative. The traveler has been asymptomatic throughout, and he's been vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine, which he took in Italy.